So yeah, I've been using Claude Cowork to automate a lot of my outreach system itself without using any automation tools and without taking help from anyone actually, and just doing it all alone very seamlessly. So basically, Claude Cowork, if you've not heard of this, it comes with a paid plan and the pro and above package of Claude. Simple to set up. Once you do that, first thing that you've got to do is you've got to download Claude. You've got to download Claude in Chrome also, which is this. So it's an extension. You can download it if you've not connected it so far. Then it's absolutely simple. So right now the what I've tried is in three steps. First, I started to test if I give it a LinkedIn page of a company page, basically, can it find people? Can it just visit LinkedIn and find these personas or whichever personas are relevant for you, um, and build a list. So I gave it the name of a company. I tested it out. It was able to build a list of all the marketing folks, which are my ICP. Right, you can obviously comment if you find it's going out of direction. You can, in between also just queue your prompt and tell it that I don't want product marketing folks or content marketing folks, where, for example, it has taken in this case, right? This is something I had done later. I defined a primary and a secondary ICP. But yeah, I was just testing. So I tested one, it was able to give it to me. So I gave it another 50, 70 odd company and the pages. This is something I downloaded from Apollo and I had it already. Also something that you can do with Claude Cowork, but yeah. So it was able to pull off the list and effectively give me the complete list, which looks like this. Yeah. So here is the list, name of the company, name of the person, job title, and the LinkedIn profile. Right. Once I was done with this, second, I tried to do the research for each of the prospects. So I started with one. I gave it the link of one of the prospects, the LinkedIn URL, and gave it a prompt asking it to, look at, just do a research. I want to prepare a LinkedIn outreach rep. Gave it a lot of context about what GrowthSpree is, what our offerings are, and look at the company, look at the person, and just try to build some a personalized rep. And it was able to do that actually pretty well. So it was able to research about the prospect, its LinkedIn posting, comments, about the company, any news related to the company, and was able to map it to, based on, because I've given it growth freeze context. So it was able to map exactly the pain points and challenges with respect to what we have to offer. And right, and then in fact, even ended up building like a very good LinkedIn outreach trip. Right. And again, I started with one and then I gave it, asked it to do it for all 100 contacts that I had. And this is the entire personalized one on an outreach that it has built for each of the prospect. For primary ICP, the sequence, if there's a secondary ICP. Uh, so it does mention based on the definition that I had given it, right? Next, the third thing that I did was obviously sending the request. A glimpse of it you saw in the LinkedIn post that I'd done, right? So basically, you need to have Claude for Code. Initially, when I started doing this, it did not have Claude for Chrome enabled. So I did that, uh, and yeah, that is what you saw. It started sending the request uh, to this person, and then I started doing it for all of the entire list, and it can do that entire drip that it has written, and you can just ask it to